Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm headed back to the Dollar Tree, so if you're interested in seeing what I found, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed that shop with me. I thought I would come on and share with you guys just a few of the items that I actually purchased from the Dollar Tree this week. One is this self-adhesive diamond wrap. I bought all of the silver and some of the gold. I don't like the self-adhesive strips on the back of these, but when I use large pieces of diamond wrap, these come in really handy and they are well worth $1. Next were these really cute air fresheners. They had one for the 70s, 80s, 90s, and the 2000s. I am a 70s baby myself, so I had to pick up that one. These are really cute. I won't necessarily hang them in my car. I don't like things hanging from my rear view mirror, but I will definitely find a place to use these. I thought they were really cute. Next was this really pretty trinket tray. I really like the gold bow on the top. I don't personally need another trinket tray, but this was just too cute to pass up, and I think I'll put it in my bathroom. I also picked up these really pretty tea light candle holders. The Dollar Tree has always sold these in packs of 2s, but the glass was always smooth. This is the first time that I've seen these in this particular style, and I've got a couple of ideas of things that I can do with these, so I picked up 8 packages of these as well. You saw this in my walkthrough. I really like this live, laugh, and love sign. These aren't my colors, but I think that this was really a pretty item, and I think that my mom would really like to have this in her bathroom. It says wall art. That's the SKU number in case you're interested. This was the only one that I saw, so I snatched it up. I really liked that it had a hanger on the back that you can hang this pretty much anywhere. I was also excited to see that they had restocked the gemstone stickers. These are another one of my favorites. They're self-adhesive. They're also very difficult to find in store these days. So I was excited to see them, and I picked up all of the clear that I saw. I also found these really cute candle holders trimmed at the top and bottom in gold. I'm really not sure what I'm going to do with these, but I thought that they were pretty cute and I did not want to pass them up. And finally, my favorite find for today were these really pretty mirror mosaic stickers. I picked up all that I saw in silver. They also came in gold, green, blue, and pink. That is the SKU number in case you guys are interested in ordering these online. I opened up a pack just to kind of see what they were. They're pretty heavy and they're actual glass, self-adhesive glass. So I can think of tons of projects that I can use these on. So I was very excited to see these in my stores finally. Let's see how sticky these are. I'm going to peel off the sticker and see if the adhesive backing is strong. It feels pretty sticky. It looks like you can pull them apart individually or use the full sheet. So yeah, I think that these are definitely worth $1, and I'll definitely be ordering them online and picking up all that I see in store. One idea that I do have is to make a candle holder. This is a gold one that I bought at Ross some time ago, and I use this one all the time. So I love to have one of these in silver. So I'm excited to probably use that as my first project. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this haul and walkthrough. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.